So I'm currently in the 2021 Mercedes-Benz AMG GLA 35, and I wanted to take a moment to showcase just how to swap out the battery in your key fob. So first off, grab your key fob, flip it on its back. You're gonna notice a little button right here. You're gonna push that, and that will release the manual key. So put that key to the side for a second. You'll need it to make your life a little easier in a moment. So push that down again, and you're gonna slide this back piece off. Try to be gentle to not, push any alarms or lock buttons on your key fob. So you push that down, and it will reveal this back. So you can put this to the side. You won't need that until you put the key fob back together. So you can see right here, it's talking about the battery being inside, and it's over here on the left. So grab that manual key, grab the tip, and stick it right here. What you're gonna do is gonna pry out the battery, like so. So pry out the battery. Once you get it to a point, you'll be able to use your finger to bring it the whole rest of the way. It's kind of like a little cartridge, you could imagine. And that will reveal your battery. Now this is a CR2032 battery. I'll have a link in the description should you need to purchase one off Amazon. It's pretty much the cheapest place to get one. Just flip this out of this spot, put it back on a new one on this tray, and then slide it back in. Just push it in as hard as you can. You're gonna have to line up the tabs. It's gonna be a little annoying. Once you get it to the right spot, you are gonna have to push the button down to allow it to click back in. Once it's together, and slide your manual key back in. Whoops, be sure it's the right size. And you're gonna hear an audible click as well. And then you are done. You do not need to code the key to your car or anything like that. It will remember you were just simply swapping out the battery. Like I said, if you need a CR2032 battery, be sure to use the link in the description. Thanks for watching.